Welcome to this special video about electric vehicles, electric bikes, electric motorcycles, electric cars. Don't scroll before you know this about Kampala, Uganda. So guys, it's Mr. June 256, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda, and today we are here at one of the EV swapping station or charging point in Kampala. And the ministers been here. They have launched the EV vehicles and EV swapping points. So we're gonna take a tour around the EV vehicles and the charging point or swapping points around. So let's explore the place. This guy, so one of the EV cars here have this, and one is gonna explore this. We're gonna explore the interior. So come with me and explore this interior. I'll use the behind and we explore the interior of it.
So automatically when you enter, it will adjust itself. Then for you adjust what you want. Then no, those on the top. Yes, I just want to pick it up. You put that on. Try to move that one up.
So let's also explore the interior of this one.
Hey, hi!
It's Mr. June 256 here at EV swapping station. They have explained to you how it works, the price. So guys, it's like 3 to 4 hours.
No, that one is for level 2 charging. This one is level 3.
Okay.
Which is fast charging.
Yes. Okay.
DC fast charging infrastructure, which takes this plant at the name is 160 kilowatts. Takes in minimum between 30 minutes and 1 hour to charge the vehicle. That is speedy.
Everything is here. Everything is here. It's in English. Navigation, phone, internet, Bluetooth, music, everything.
You can just say very. Also, like when you switch it on, oh yeah, you know that it's on because it will show the dashboard. Oh, okay.
It's now on.
Yeah.
You press here.
You press rollers here, and they're having arrows. It's Mr. June 256 still here at EV swapping station.
And the full charge can take you, that is 400 kilometers.
Yes.
So you can see how efficient it is for you. So we are transitioning from the normal ordinary gasoline.
Yes.
Now we are going electric.
Okay.
Yes. As demonstrated by the minister, yes, the government is here to support this program, and I think it is irreversible.
Okay. So what are the incentives, or what are what kind of support is the government offering to the EV users?
Well, the government has made it, for example, here behind us, just like you've seen.
Yes.
The government, I'm not a government spokesperson.
Yes.
So I can't speak for the government. But one thing I appreciate, the charging stations.
The charging station
done by government. The very first of their kind.
Sure.
Done by government.
Okay.
So this is an initiative taken by government to see that they can promote this new development.
Yes.
That is irreversible.
Yes.
Yes, because you're saving quite a lot in terms of costing going forward.
Okay.
And even it's efficient. So I urge the public to embrace it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So what's the swapping or charging charge? The cost of charging.
Well, those ones now you need to come. Please pay us a visit. We are located along Old Corridor Road.
Yes.
That is along as you're heading to Borobi. Please come and I give you an extensive presentation, because right now I'm caught up in a lot of things.
Okay.
And thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome. So we are here at Spiro now. These are Spiro bikes, and we're gonna find a guy to explain to us how they work, how the details about this Spiro company and Spiro bikes. So, welcome. What's your name? Kevin. You work at Spiro.
I work with Spiro, so we did a new age of electric transformation, whereby we have electric bikes. Yeah, we have a different categories. We have the field, we have the senior, we have an airport down there.
Pande chini. Why? Na hii mama.